Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Today, in this class, we shall understand about the second experiment of ETC diploma students. Now, before we start your experiment, let us go through the theory and the aim of the experiment. So, today's aim of the experiment is to study 3-point and 4-point starter. So, students, for this we require a 3-point starter and its specification is 2.2 kilowatt, 220 volt, 12 ampere. Similarly, we also require a 4-point starter whose specification is 2.2 kilowatt, 220 volt, 12 ampere. A combination plier, screwdriver, and its specifications are 150 mm and 300 mm respectively. So, students, in this experiment we will be able to understand why a 3-point and a 4-point starter is required in a DC motor for starting a DC motor. Now, we also require a neon tester whose specification is 0 to 500 volt and some spanners because we have to dismantle the starter. Now, students, the theory part, the current drawn by the motor armature is given by the relation IA is equal to V minus EB divided by RA, where V is the supply voltage. So, students, importantly the armature current, because the amount of current drawn by the motor will be dangerous for the motor. So, if IA is less, then the motor will be less. The motor will be safe. Now, the E or EB, the back EMF, and the armature resistance when the motor is at rest is yet 0. Obviously, no back EMF developed. So, this is the danger position why a motor should be started with a starter. Now, in practice, if you use a motor without a starter, it will draw a current of more than 5 to 7 times the original current. So, it is the theory part which you can go through this theory. And similarly, for 3-point starter also, there are some important safety devices installed in the starter, namely the NBC and OLR. And you will find these two coils or the safety devices will help you to save the motor. Now, students, we will just go through this theory. You have to understand this theory by practical means only. So, we will we will demonstrate the 3-point, 4-point starter. We will also go through the 4-point starter, and for your convenience, we also have a 2-point starter which we will show you. So, now students, in your screen there is a diagram for 3-point starter. So, this diagram should be carefully studied by each one of you and you should draw it neatly also. Similarly, there is a 4-point starter, the connection diagram is shown to you and you should draw conclusion. We have not written any conclusion over here because in your case it is a study only, so no need to calculate or observe anything. You just have to write down the theory part. And obviously, we have some discussion questions. What are they? What is the necessity of starter in DC machine and what are the advantages of 4-point starter over 3-point starter? Now, let us demonstrate and start with the 3-point, 4-point starter and its important parts.